How to combine emojis on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can combine emojis on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Google Chrome. So let me just open my Chrome up. After you opening up Google Chrome, what you'll need to do is simply head over to the search bar and simply search for Combine Emojis. Now after you type that in, you will see this option that says Get Cooking. Tap on Get Cooking, and after that now you will be able to choose different emojis and combine them. So let me just choose these emojis here, and there you can see that I can just combine them. Now if I tap on randomize, it'll just randomize different emojis and give me a combination of them. So if I just tap on this, it should give me something like this, and yeah, now I can combine different emojis like this, and it should give me a different version of each emoji. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you can combine emoji. Now you can also copy the emoji and you can paste it wherever you want, and that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.